Hey girl, hey! Welcome to Get Ready with Me. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and I am a national leader with Avon, and we are going to wake up and make up. Texas allergies have got me, so we are going to do this quick. You can see that the allergies have set in on these eyes. Be sure and say hello whenever you join so that I know that you're watching, and then we will hop right in. So I've already done my morning skincare regimen. I've added in my Anew Clinical with retinol just to help decrease the pore size and add a little bit more moisture to my skin with this air that's so dry. My face has actually gotten a little bit chapped. So needing that little bit of extra moisture. Of course, I'm still doing my Skin Invincible and my depuffing eye serum. I don't know why. I did 4 steps this morning. I also did my hyaluronic acid, and I did that first, then my retinol, and then my Skin Invincible day cream. So I don't know what's going on. If it's just the wind. But my face, whew. So I'm going to do some primer now, my ink lasting primer, and just takes a little dab and rub it in. So you guys say hello, let me know that you're watching, and let me know if you're having this same issue with dry skin. At night, I've been using our Dr. Belmer recovery cream. I started that last night, and I already felt better this morning, which is good. So I think it's just a matter of staying on top of that moisture. The other thing I've noticed is with the holiday season, I've not been getting as much water in my system as I normally do. And that probably plays a big role in it. Magic's Wand in the shade Marshmallow. Mellow Yellow. So do you guys have big plans for New Year's Eve? That is quickly approaching us. Share it in the comments. Let me know what your big plans are. Are you going to glam it up and go out, or are you more of a homebody, going to just stick around the house? What are your plans? So I went in a downward triangle motion underneath those eyes, and then I put a little bit on the nose and the chin because that seems to be where the chapping is. There goes my light. That seems to be where the chapping is the most, is my nose and my chin. So definitely have to intake more water starting today. And then just taking that ring finger and blending that in just so it helps. You can already tell a difference with that magic wand in those eyes. If you are not using a good concealer, you definitely want to make sure that you have a great concealer on board. And of course, I'm a big fan of the Magic Wand. Okay, ink lasting foundation. I'm using the shade Porcelain. Check this out. So it has this little cute ruby cell puff here, and then you have this little cap. Boop, pop it open. Push down, picks up your makeup on your sponge. One push, guys, and you get enough makeup for your entire face. And that's it. And then you just blend it in. Just pat it, pat it, pat it. That is really, that is why this foundation will last you forever. I think my first one lasted 3 months, and then I changed colors. So, just gonna blend, 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 blend. New Year's. We are more homebodies on New Year's, so we probably won't go anywhere. Like to stay close to the boys. Not really a fan of being out on the roads because there are people that do not responsibly drink and drive, and just not a place I want to hang out on the roads. I like a glass of wine just like the rest of them, but if you are going out, be sure that you have a responsible designated driver, because you want to get home to your family, right? You don't want to make a bad decision and pick somebody to be your designated driver that is not going to stay sober. So make good decisions. We're going to brush out these brows. Woo! Look at that. Okay. Then we're going to shape them up. And just going to form a little box here because mine tend to dip down and then filling them in. So we customarily get together with a couple of our friends for New Year's, and we are doing a bake-off where everybody brings their favorite baked dish, and then we have contests and we vote and who's the winner. I will tell you, I'm not the best cook in the bunch by far. I make a mean Rice Krispie treat and sopapilla cheesecake. I can make sopapilla cheesecake. Those are really my two highlight dishes. My husband is the baker in our family. He loves to cook. And he loves to find new creative recipes and do all this funky stuff, and just not where my jam is. That's okay. We all have different gifts and talents, right? Mine is not cooking. All right, translucent loose powder. Taking my fluffy powder brush, tapping it out, and then I'm going to blend. Most definitely going to blend on the jawline and then the eye area where I added in that foundation or that concealer, because you really want to set it. And I've been looking for the right words when I've talked about translucent loose powder, and what it does is it actually sets your makeup. So it puts it in place and helps it to not move. The other thing is that ink lasting primer helps to set the base so that it will stay longer too. So, I mean, my makeup typically will last me all day long without a touch up. And that is for a mom on the go or a lady on the go. That is the magic trick. You want it to last all day long and not have to reapply. Okay, so we've got our foundation set in place. Now we are I'm going to use my Time to Shine palette. It's got the 3 little books, and I'm going to do just a little bit of contouring this morning. It is the Future is Bright book, and this is still on sale on our website. It's not going to be on there much longer. So if you want to pick this up, definitely do it now. Just picking up those 2 darkest colors with my angled brush. Giving it a little bit, you can already tell. So we talked about this on my last video, but what is your goals for 2020? So I shared that one of mine is health. And I've been really reading into this thing called intermittent fasting, T-minus 4 hours. I'm getting a warning from my husband because he says we're going to be late. Whatever. Now I'm just going to go back with my Ruby Cell Puff, and I'm just blending. Okay. For the eyes, let's do the Mono Pop eyeshadow palette. It's brand new, just launched. I'm going to use my flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pick up this lightest color here in the corner and cover those eyes. So anyway, we've been reading up on something called intermittent fasting, which is, it's a new way of taking control of your health, making good food decisions. There's a Facebook group called Delay, Don't Deny, if you want to read more about it. I think that the lady that owns the Facebook group, there's also a book called Delay, Don't Deny. I'm reading the audiobook on this process. And so it's actually been endorsed by the Boston Medical Journal. Okay, for the insides, we're going to do this taupe up here on the top. I really love every shade in this palette. So you could this is a palette that you will use every color. Up here, I'm going to work this crease, and I got my crease brush out. I should have told y'all that. So intermittent fasting basically is where you do a clean fast for a certain amount of hours, which throws your body into reserve saving of insulin, because all the time that you're eating, and I'm probably not explaining this exactly right, but when you're eating, your body is producing insulin. And so if you will fast, okay, for the blending color, I'm going to use this one here on the bottom, and I'm just going to blend that up to my crease. while you're fasting, your body actually goes into a fat burning mode so that it's not having to produce insulin. And it's good for people with health issues. Can actually help with like autoimmune issues. So there's lots of good benefits. I do not know all of it, so I definitely recommend, if you're interested, check out that Delay Don't Deny book in the Facebook group. I did it a little bit last year, but to be honest, I didn't do the fast as a clean fast. I'm just going to go back with this color. Good morning, sister. This color down here in the corner, I'm just going to highlight up here just a little bit. So basically, our goal is to do a 16-hour fast and then eat in an 8-hour window. So, okay, here we go. We're going to do the Super Extend Liquid Pen that my sister got me hooked on. It's, okay. And so in that clean fast period, you can have black coffee and water, unflavored water. In fact, they really recommend that you, my husband, they really recommend that you take in half of your body weight in ounces in water intake during that fasting period. So we will probably be done eating at like 7 at night, and then eat again at like 11 the next day for lunch. And when you're eating, of course, if you want it to be more effective with like losing weight and resetting your body, you, of course, if you can cut out sodas and you can cut out sugars, that's definitely going to help the process to speed along. But they say in your eating window, you can pretty much eat anything that you want. And I just think that if you're trying to have a healthier lifestyle, it's probably a good idea to make good food choices. Love mascara. We're going to use that on these lashes. I love the way that color payoff came out on on that eyeshadow. So what do you do to be healthy? Do you exercise? Do you make good food choices? Do you count calories? What do you do? I also love on this ink lasting that it also has a great mirror. There we go. Look at those lashes, girls. Okay. So we are going to add in our blush on top of our contour, which we are using the Moisture Cushion Blush in Coral. Again, it has the Ruby Cell Puff. I'm coming. Do not come in here and give me a notice of time. Okay.
Well, I can do that live on Facebook.
I know, I've seen that. Good. But if you're healthy, if you're happy with your health, then, of course, you don't have to make any adjustments. That's just what we're working on. We are trying to be healthier and be around longer for our kids and to make good food choices so that we feel better and all those good things. I'm going to also use my Moisture Highlighter Cushion. Again, I have my Ruby Cell Puff. I pull that back. Tap, tap, tap. Cupid's bow. A little bit down the nose. What do you think, girls? I think we're good. Okay. For lip color today, what are we gonna do? I haven't done one of these in a while. Let's do our lip tattoo. I'm gonna do the 2-in-1 lip tattoo in the shade Inked Rose. This stuff will truly stay with you all day long. Has this really cool little felt tip pin. And then you can use the other side as a feeler. The other cool thing is it's made with sunflower seed oil, so it doesn't burn. It has a little bit of a lip stain in it, but it's going to stay on your lips and it feels good. It doesn't feel like it's harsh or, damaging to your lips, which we don't want. So it's hair washing day. Yay. Okay, so we got the look. If you want to check out more about that intermittent fasting, be sure and check out Delay, Don't Deny Facebook group in the book. Looks to be good, so y'all will be on this journey with me. I hope that you all have a fantastic day. Please share this video. Sharing is caring. And like and comment. Let me know what you think about our look today. And if you want to shop for these products, you can do that on my website, youravon.com/jwoolsey. And message me if you have questions. You guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.